The first wife to get married
Okay.
to
I ask
second.
you again, you only have one wife. You only have one wife or five wife? How many wife? Five? Take a stam ngay datang lima nga babaen, apo ka mo. How many wife? Don't joking. Three wife. Really?
Where are you from?
Listen first. You have three wife. It's breakfast, dinner, and lunch.
Hmm. You
Nam.
know,
I'm from Philippines, the very beautiful country from Philippines. Why?
double tap my friend. Only double tap my friend.
Hello, Angelo.
Naggy.
Sardin